Hi everyone, it's Becx Smith. I can't believe it's day 5 already of our 40-day free do-it-yourself marketing video series. Bit later in the day than normal. It's been a very busy day here, but here I am ready to give you my tip of the day. Once again, today the tip of the day is going to be around website design and development. So in regards to making sure that you rank well for search engines, this is a really, really simple tip, but believe it or not, I've had clients before who have called me in because they weren't ranking on Google. They weren't appearing in searches for keywords and things like that. And it's a very simple mistake that some people make when developing their websites. They'd actually had a web designer develop their website for them, and they had made this simple mistake which had cost them any visibility with the search engines early on. So my simple tip for the day is basically that when you're in the settings admin section of your WordPress site, or even in your Wix site. In your WordPress site, it's under settings. There's an option there under privacy, a checkbox that says do not allow search engines to, I think it's view my site. And in my client's case, this was checked. So the search engines weren't able to access their site and view it. So it wasn't available for search engines to rank, and therefore it wasn't appearing in the search engine rankings. On Wix, there's a section under the marketing home, which is under the main menu, and it's called Get Found on Google. So if you go in there and make sure that the settings are correct so that you can be found on Google, I know it sounds really silly, but this is a mistake that people can make and spend a lot of time doing a lot of other great SEO, and this very simple thing has stopped them from even ranking at all. So that's my little tip for the day. I'll be back again tomorrow with some more great tips to help you on your digital marketing journey. Hopefully all of you do-it-yourself marketers and business owners out there are doing well and making adjustments to your business to continue to work in this changing environment. And I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. See you then. Bye.